Hello guys, this is Rana and you are watching Ramji Tech. Today I am going to tell you about how to download and install Windows Picture Manager. If you have new laptop or desktop, then you should install Microsoft Windows Picture Manager because it is quite easier and very advanced to edit picture and resize it. So if you want to download Microsoft Picture Manager, then you have first to download SharePoint Designer. For downloading it, SharePoint Designer, you have to open first browser and simply type here download Microsoft SharePoint Designer 2010 and simply enter it. You will get download Microsoft SharePoint Designer and Microsoft Designer. This one is 32-bit and this one is 64-bit. So I have 64-bit. I'm going to click on this one link. You can simply find the download button and you have to click and you will get exe file. So click on restart the download and you will get it. For downloading the SharePoint Designer exe, you have to spend 279 MB. It's a little bigger, but you have to download it. So I have already downloaded it. I'm going to show you. This one is. First we have to right click and run as administrator. Please stay here because it's little problem in installing SharePoint Designer. So we will get Microsoft Picture Manager from SharePoint Designer. And you have to accept the term and conditions and click on continue. So don't click on install now. You have to choose customize and it's really not available. Microsoft SharePoint Designer not available. Click it not available and let's expand it and we require Picture Manager, Microsoft Office Picture Manager, and run from my computer and click install now. So it's finally done and close it. You can find Microsoft Office Picture Manager. So you can click on and so you can resize. So that's it guys, how to download Picture Manager. So if you like my video, then thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So bye.